Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I will also show you how you can quickly and easily remove eSIM on your iPhone. Before starting our video, be sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and write your comments after watching. Let's get down to the topic. I will show you two methods, the easiest ones, how you can remove and reset eSIM. First of all, friends, please open the settings on your iPhone, and then you'll need to go to cellular or mobile data. After that, if you have eSIMs connected, then under the SIM pin section, you will see an option called Disable or Remove eSIM. You will need to click on this option. Then confirm your actions and follow the instructions that will be written on the screen. After that, you'll be able to delete your eSIM. Another method to do this. Also, open the settings. Then General. Check down. Next, tap Reset and move your iPhone. Next is Reset. And here also in this list, you'll be able to find an option called Delete or Reset eSIM. And you will definitely also need to tap on that line and then follow the instructions that you will see on your screen. These are the methods by which you, friends, will be able to remove eSIM on iPhone. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and be sure to put your like. See you soon.